Hello everyone, so it means we're here from this one in this throwback from this one in these games in PD World Rapid Chess Championship 2024. So it means throwback from this late editions here. So it means time clock is 15 minutes game from this one. Rapid Chess from this women's switch here from this one. And also have a between from this woman grandmaster. For my favorite players in USA is Jennifer Yu. This is my favorite player from this one. So it means I'm a fan of hers from this one, from USA, from this one. And versus from grandmaster from China is Zhu Zhener. So it means China from this South Asia from this one. In today's battle from this women's Swiss, in this part of this video, we have analyzed of this chess games 15 minutes games. So white plays U is d4, knight f6 drew, c4, e6 is called East Indian defense, knight f3, b6, so it means b6 here from this one, or maybe it's called Queen's Indian defense, so it means Queen Indian defense, so it means upcoming here, so it means main line there still is bishop b4 check, so it means determinations by simple as that, bishop b4 are check here. So Zhu moves by b6 here, so it means ready from this one without bishop b7, so it means without developed by move by Zhu from these black pieces, and also knight c3, so it means knight c3 by determination move by Yu, and also bishop b7, g3, so it means g3 by Yu, move by bishop g2, so it means without preparing castle, and also bishop b4, so it means without pin here by queen, without check, or maybe check here, and also bishop d2 defense castle, and bishop g2, so it means bishop g2 without preparing from this one, preparing from this castle kingside by Yu, so it means castle kingside, and also d6 castle, and also knight bd7, so it means knight bd7 by still determination by focusing here without the move by knights here, and also rook c1, so it means rook c1, or maybe a5, so it means a5 by Zhu, and also queen c2, so it means queen c2 without defense by knights, or maybe bishop, or queen, so it means defense, and bishop takes knight, bishop takes c3, and also bishop e4, so it means bishop e4 without, oh sorry, mouse, I can move my mouse here, or maybe bishop by threat by queen. So I'm sorry, I got wrong my moving mouse. I use my mouse in this laptop, so it means bishop e4, or maybe with a threat, so threatening by queen, and queen d2, and also queen e7, so it means queen e7, so it means without move by here by rook d8, or maybe here still move by here, or rook e8, so it means determination, so it means move by here, or maybe here by e7, or maybe here by move by c5, so it means move c5 here, so it means this is a move upcoming preparing moves, and also b3, and also rook fe8, so it means rook fe8 here, and also rook fd1. Oh, so it means rook fd1, so it means determinations, and also h6, and also queen b2, d5, oh my god, d5 here without prepare captured this one 5 pawns, and also knight e5, so it means without threatening knights, preparing captured by knights here, and also bishop takes g2, good move by Zhu, and also king takes bishop, and also rook ac8, so it means rook ac8, but still novelty by Zhu, so it means rook ac8, so it means the all 9 lines, good novelty is knight takes e5. So it means knight takes e5 here, or maybe knight takes e5 here. Or already from this one. So it means ready by capture these knights here. So it means all main lines there. So back there is rook a c8 and also e3, c6, and also b4. So it means b4, or maybe here by push here, or maybe push without b5 by you, and also a4. Oh my god, pushes. So it means push by a4 by you without push by a3 without threat by queen. For example, so what do you think if you capture this pawn takes b4 here from this one? So what do you think from this capture this one? And also bishop takes pawn with a threat by queen. Oh, still threat by queen here. Oh, where do you put this one? So it means without threat, or maybe here pawn c5. So it means c5. So it means threat. So it means with a threatening b. So it means threatening by bishop. So it means bishop here, or maybe bishop a3. Still determinations here by whites and blacks here. So back there is a4 without push by a3, and also b5. What a good decisions by you. Still ready for this captured, and move by push a3. So it means what a good decisions by you without threat by queen, or maybe develops here. And also queen backwards b1, and so it means bad move. So it means bad move. So the best moves, correct move is queen b4, queen to queen. So it means if you capture this, queen takes here, or maybe bishop takes queen, or where do you put this one with a threatening? Oh, still threatening here by a3, or if you captured by c takes. Oh, if you capture this, if you say takes b5 here, if you capture this one, or maybe here rook a8 defense. So it means rook a8 here. So back there is queen b1, and also knight takes. So see that. So it means need to capture this one. So it is we need to capture. Don't forget to capture this one. And also pawn takes knight, threat by knights, and also knight e4. So it means knight e4 without threat by bishop, or maybe threatening here. And also bishop b4 with a threatening by queen, or still threat by queens here. Attack this queen, and also c5 push, another bad. So it means c5 is bad move. So it means push is bad move. So it means bad move. So the best moves there is, where do you put this one? So it means the best moves is queen a7, defense by a4. So it means a4 here. So back there is push c5 and capture this bishop. Incorrect move. So the best moves there is bishop e1. So it means correct decision. So it means bishop e1 are correct best moves here. So bishop takes a3, and also queen b7, and also f3 with a threat by knights here, and also knight g5, and also h4, another threatening by knights, knight backwards h7, rook d3, another bad move. So the best moves there is queen b3. So it means defense by bishop, and also a2, defense by here. So back there is rook d3, and also rook c d8, and also rook c d1 without battery, or maybe by a trunk by black pieces from this one, and also queen a8 without threat by bishop, and also queen b3. What a good decisions by you. So it means defense by bishop here, and also knight f8. So it means knight f8 here, and also bishop b2, and also rook d7, another bad move. So the best moves there is queen b7. So it means queen b7 here from this one. Or maybe queen b7 here. Or maybe here is queen b8. Oh. So it means queen b8. So it means these are two best moves here from this one. So I don't know what is in this evaluations bar. So back there is rook d7 and also pawn takes captured and also rook takes d5 captured and also rook c8 and also queen c4 queen a5. So it means queen a5 by move here. I don't know move here from this one. So it means queen a5 here and also bishop c3 threat by queen. So it means without threatening by queens and also queen 8 a3 queen b3 queen to queen and also queen backwards a8. Another bad move again by Zhu. So the best moves is continue capture this queen. If you pawn takes, so it means double. Oh, see that if you double fianchettos double here. So look at this one. So look at the red in the square root from this one. So it means red here. So it means double here from this one. So back there is queen a8 and also a4. So it means without move here, so it means defense. And also c4 with a threat by queen or maybe threat here. And also queen d1, knight e6. So it means without move by here by knight c7 with a threat by rook. So it means threat here. And also rook d6 threatening by knight c5. So it means knight c5 with a threat by pawn by a4 or maybe queen. So it means or maybe threat by two pieces here. And also rook takes b6 and also queen a7 with a threat by rook and also rook d6 and also knight takes a4. So it means pawn downs from this one. So it means knight takes a4 and also rook d8 check and also rook takes queen takes d8 check and also king h7 and also bishop d4. So it means bishop d4 without threat by queen or maybe threatening attacking this queen and also queen b7 without threatening by, look at this, so it means threat by b5. So it means pawn and also b6. So it means b6 by move by you. So it means determinations by you from this one. And also c3. So it means pushes by Zhu. So it means upcoming this push c2 or promotes queen. Oh, what the dangers from this one, or maybe here. And also queen c7 without queen to queen. And also queen a6 avoided. And also push b7 incorrect move. So it means the correct move here is f4. Oh, see the evaluations bar here from this one. So it means f4 are best moves. So it means correct move here. So it means b7 here. And also good move is queen e2 check. So it means good move by Zhu. So it means without check or maybe without trap by pawn. So it means determinations by solutions by develops from this one. And also king h3 and also h5. So for example, what do you think? Why don't we capture this queen takes pawn? Oh, so it means b8 queen. Still doubled by queen. Oh no, still wins for whites. Oh, still wins for whites here. So back there is h5 and also b8 queen. Oh my god, still double here. Oh my god, still double by queen or maybe bishop or maybe without two pieces here, knights and queen. Oh, still wins for white by you. So time check here. So it means 10 seconds by Jennifer Yu from white pieces and 41 seconds by Zhu Zhener. So it means dying seconds here. So let's continue is, so it means queen f1 check, and also 3 times here. Still is 3 repetitions draw, so it means draw by rapid. So it means women's Swiss draw from these repetitions. So it means, so the score from accuracy from white pieces is 1887.8 by Jennifer Yu from USA, and also black pieces score by Jules Journer is 86.7. So it means so the higher winner is woman grandmaster Jennifer Yu. Still congratulations from these points here. Um and before that, so it means the next game from this one, from this Sakastan, is also known as Alua Normanova versus Zainab Sultanbek. So it means Zainab Sultanbek from this one. I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching from this video. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka Icon Mike 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and adios. Bye bye.